Hey, Ren!
What?
Will you help me try out my new inventions?
Go away. I'm busy.
Come on, Ren. I need your help.
Oh, please! Huh? All right, sure. All right, Stimpy. I'm losing my patience. Let's get this over with.
Ahem. Ladies and gents, I give you the Cheesophone. Now we can talk to cheese anywhere in the world, regardless of their foreign tongues. Go ahead, Ren. Say something in Limburger.
Will you hurry so I can finish my paper?
Check this out, Ren. It's the remote control shaver. Now you can get a clean clothes shave without even being there. Observe.
That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. You... You!
Here, Ren, for you.
Oh, what is it?
Go ahead, open it.
What are they?
They're my latest invention. Stay-put socks. They never fall down.
Say, now that's a good idea. Especially for those of us who don't wear clothes. Why, it's amazing. How do they work?
They're full of glue. I'm so glad you like them, Ren. Wait here. I'll go get the stay-put hat and raincoat.
You filthy swine! I will kill you!
Hey, what's the matter, Ren? Say, you don't suppose he's unhappy?